So just getting ready to pack for India and just going to say goodbye to little girl. Hi. You gonna miss me? Storm, so we're just making our way into the car and then heading to the airport now, and it's just absolutely poured it down. So it's going to be wet for testing, but it's still hot. Let's go. So in the car, long time in customs, but finally here, bringing back memories from 2019 when I was last here. Raining outside, should only be about 45 minutes, hopefully to an hour, to do 20k, which is welcome to Indian traffic. So good morning from India. So the purpose of why I am in this sunny, but it wasn't last night, thunderstormy country and city of Chennai is we're here for the Indian Racing League Championship. Now that starts next weekend. This is just the test day, so here for 2 days before flying back to start my part of the Gumball, although the Gumball actually starts today as well, so I'll be starting 2 days in. For the Ras Al Khaimah part, Jebel Jay is my favourite road, I think pretty much of all time, to take a supercar up, and the fact that we're going to be able to do it as a timed hill climb run is going to be so fun. But anyway, we're here in India, focus on the Indian parts. The crazy storms of last night have subsided, although you can still see them up there. Today is a seat fit day, so it's a chance for us to get used to our team, our teammates, and then get all the PR and press stuff done before tomorrow actually being out on track in the cars. Never driven these cars before. They're called Wolf Thunder cars. I'll put in a picture here, some videos of them. They seem fun. And the way the championship works is it's 4 drivers. So you've got a international driver, a local driver, a female driver, and an amateur driver, or not amateur driver, but a driver who is kind of locally known in India for racing, but maybe isn't internationally known for racing. So there's a championship for all of us together and individually as well. We won it back in its previous generation in 2019, so hoping to win it again. And in between that, I'll be flying back and forth from India to the UAE for the Gulf Historic, for Gumball, and for a couple of other special tests that are going on. So let's head to the track. It's fine. If the bikes can make it through, if the bikes can make it through, we can definitely make it through.
We went through stuff last night that I think might in England will actually write your car off over half the wheel.
Some was deep yesterday night.
This reminds me of the Barbados circuit.
We are very far from Barbados.
I know, it's random, isn't it? But the Barbados circuit literally looks just like that. What do you think of our cars, John? 375 kilograms, that is light. So we're literally in the garage now meeting all of our teammates and drivers. There is 2 cars per team, and there is 4 drivers per team, so we share a car. Bianca is in our team, so you're matching, you've got the perfect colours for the car. So none of us have ever driven any of these, they're all brand new. Hopefully won't be needing that. And we're getting our seat fits now done, which is where they mould them to our body. So this is an example of one that someone's done before. Vishnu's. So here at the track, finally arrived, setup day. Got all the teams behind me in the garages here. There's about 24 drivers and we've got 12 cars. Like I was saying, 2 drivers per car and 4 drivers in a team. Here is Chennai Raceway, previously where MRF have raced and now where Indian Racing League will be racing.
No, it does not work. We have no sensor on the car. So then it will be...
Fit like a glove.
They have video. Yeah, I've seen the original. What?
So, although it looks beautiful and sunny behind, we're on our track day. Say hi everyone. Track day, track walk. Track leak. Because we've got a little bit of a flooding issue. So what's our official team name?
Bangalore Speedsters.
Right, Bangalore Speedsters. And then we'll make our own code private name.
They're going to be speed boating.
Speed boating, literally. I'll put in some videos now of what the track looks like right now after the thunderstorms. So in terms of how these seats are made, very agricultural, you mix 2 different types of liquids, which when you put it into one of these containers and mix it up, the chemical compounds bound together and they start expanding, what we call a 2-part foam, and then that gets put into there, into basically like a bag, like a bin bag effectively, which then turns out like this. The foam expands into this, again gets cut out and moulded to our bodies because we've been sat in them getting hot. And then we've got our race seat made for the day until our proper beach seats arrive, which are going to look a little bit nicer when they arrive. So now it's time to head back to the hotel, get our stuff, and go get a nice curry.